Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to download TikTok application on your Android phone. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store, and there at the top right corner you'll find a search options, and here you have to search for TikTok application. Tap on it, and here we have found TikTok. So you have to tap on install. This will take few times to download it or install it to your device. After it get downloaded, the TikTok icon will be shown on your home screen as the other icons applications. So here we have to wait till the TikTok get installed, and you will be able to open a login ID into TikTok and use it. So that's all. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.